Hey besties, and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, we are going to speak on 4 things. One being the discontinuation of 2 handbags, one of the handbags right behind me. We are also going to speak on VICs, guys, purchasing for family and friends, basically clearing out the stock of these very popular collections. Okay, we are also going to speak on the multicolor collection, the coming soon that you guys see, and last but not least, the madness that we are going to experience from the Cherry Blossom collection. But of course, before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you're doing what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you're doing what you want.
Okay besties, I am so happy to be back. I think I'm back, I don't know, but your girl was almost a college dropout. Those 2 weeks fast courses are kicking my butt, but guess what, all my assignments I turned in late, but guess what, I still made 100. I don't know if there's something to brag about, but I passed. I made 100. Okay, so anyways guys, like I said, there's 4 things that we are going to speak on. I am going to talk first about the discontinuation of the graceful handbag, the graceful PM and the MM. So guys, it's both sizes, all designs, monogram, damier bean, damier azur, basically the whole graceful like family, okay, is going to be gone. If you guys see it in stock, a lot of you guys like, Marquita, it's still in stock. Yes baby, it is, but that's going to be it. Once it's sold out online, guys, that's it. You are going to slowly but surely see it disappear. Just like the damier azur mini pochette. You see how that disappeared? That's going to be the same for all of the graceful handbags. If you see it in the boutiques, you try it on, you like it, please get it, because they are not going to receive any more shipments of this handbag. They are not going to create any more of these handbags. I love the graceful. I do. You guys, I brag on this all the time. As you guys can see, I told you I add my Speedy 25 bandolier strap. This is the color, okay, that goes with this print. Not black. I'm sorry, I had to add that. Okay, but I absolutely love the graceful handbag. The MM was just absolutely too big. But guys, this is going to be gone. If you are waiting to purchase, please stop waiting. Because I don't want to hear later, you guys did that with the bum bag, the OG bum bag. A lot of you guys did that with the Passy. If I'm telling you now, and your CAs, they should tell you as well. This has been in the talks. I found the video, guys. I told you about this in November of 2023. It's leaving us, guys, this year, okay? So if you like it, you love it, you tried it on, please go ahead and purchase. You will not be disappointed. I love the graceful handbag, okay? Another handbag that has been in talk, guys, and I honestly think that is going to leave, excuse me, just like the Palm Springs Mini, the reverse monogram, guys, we are going to experience that with the Pochette Matisse, okay? Let me go ahead and get my reverse monogram Pochette Matisse, because you guys know I just love bringing details, okay? Okay, so besties, here is the Pochette Matisse. You guys know how I feel about the Pochette Matisse. I absolutely adore this design handbag. I also have the monogram. I'm not into the upfront leather. I did try it. I had one. I had the pink one, and it just wasn't for me. I just love this canvas material when it comes to the Pochette Matisse. But I am going to be honest. I honestly think they just need to wipe it clean. Like, take the monogram, the graceful PM, and go back to the drawing board, because I do hear a lot of glazing issues when it comes to this particular handbag, okay? Honestly, I haven't had any issues with my monogram, but I did notice just a tad bit of glazing with my reverse monogram as well. Just a little bit, nothing real big. Well, anything that costs this much is real big, but it was just very little. Like, and that little can actually get very large. But I love my CAs, you know, that's just stuff I don't worry about, okay? But I probably need to, because guys, it's in the talks that this is leaving us, just the reverse monogram. So just like I stated, the Palm Springs mini backpack, how the reverse monogram is discontinued, but they kept the monogram in black. I'm hearing the same about this, guys. So just be mindful if this is something that you want, especially in this, you know, in this colorway, the reverse monogram. Guys, please, oh my gosh, please, I don't want to hear later that they didn't say anything, that you didn't get the heads up. It might be this year, it might be next month, it might be next year. Just like the graceful, I told you guys, this was talked about in 2023. They are just now deciding to go ahead and fully take it away 2 years later. So guys, just keep a watchful eye. Again, this is in the talks. I've been telling you about this as well, but I thought it was supposed to be monogram and reverse monogram. But what I'm hearing now is just reverse monogram. So the discontinuation of the Graceful PM, the Graceful MM, all designs, and the Pochette Matisse, only the reverse monogram, okay? But again, if I hear anything else, I will keep my besties updated like I always do. And my favorite part, of course, guys, look at the strap. The handbag, I love it, but it's the reverse monogram strap. You need this in your collection, okay? Okay, guys, so let's move on to the next thing that I want to speak on. VICs, purchasing for family and friends. Okay, so besties, I received this comment, and I am so glad, because yes, it is something that we need to discuss. But I am honestly, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. You cannot control what another business allows, okay? So if LV allows VIC to purchase whatever, how many items that they want, guys, that is something that a VIC deserve. They work towards it, guys. I am so sorry. Like I said, I can't speak on that. And to be honest, I have done it before. I have purchased, I've used my CA to send someone else an invoice that wanted an item, a very popular item, and they were able to purchase. I hate I did it. I really do, because I turned around and saw that that person sold it for like so much more. And I will never do that again. I said that I would never do that again. And I'm only saying that because somebody that actually really wanted that item could have and wanted to cherish it, wanted to keep it, not to purchase to sell, they would have had that item. I would have rather helped them than help someone else get an item and then turn around and go and purchase it in their Facebook group. Okay? And that actually made me so mad. But guys, this is something that we can't control. I think LV just needs to produce the popular handbags, popular items. Like, a smart business move will be just to constantly just produce. You just need to produce more. But I don't see anything wrong with people purchasing for their family and friends. I don't. Like, if your family member wanted something that they couldn't get, guys, that's just like how a bestie, a family member, that's just how it is, guys. You are going to look out for your people. Now, do I think VICs honestly should have a limit when it comes to these popular collections? Yes, I do. I really do. If you're not going to produce more LV, yes, VICs, they do need a limit. They do. I'm going to be honest, in 2021, when the Body Pool collection came out, guys, I spent like $12,000 in one setting. Like $12,000. I had the shoes, I had the bandos, I had the bag charms, I had the wallets, I had 2 bags. Like, okay, popular collections, I really do think it needs to be a limit. But hey, VICs deserve it. As much as they pay all year long, guys, they are going to cater to VICs, and that's just something you can't get around. So this comment, I am here to say, guys, is no way around it. They will never know if they're purchasing for family and friends. If I put an item on my wish list for a family member and that item comes in stock and they reach out to me, I will get it too. I will help out my family too. So I don't know what to say. Like, I don't know, guys, but I wanted to point this out, and it happens. This happens all the time. This happened with the multicolored collection, guys. This happens. I could have most definitely, when I missed my mark to go and pre-order, so many other people reached out to me and asked me, Marquita, what do you want? I just don't trust anybody with my money like that. I'm being honest with you. I don't trust anyone with my money like that. So, if it's not coming from my card, coming from my CA, no, I want to be doing the communicating. You know, let me talk to your CA. But I'm not going to send you any money, or you purchase and then I send you the money. Like, nah, I'm good on that. I'm not that needy. I'm not that needy, okay? So I wanted to speak on that. But this was most definitely a good comment, and I hope this helped, okay? So let's move on to the Cherry Blossom collection. OMG. Okay, so let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. The Cherry Blossom collection is going to be crazy, insane. A lot of people will be upset. It is going to be just like the multicolor collection. LV most definitely did not learn their lesson at all. And once again, VICs were able to go and clean up. Of course, guys, they are going to send emails to certain people and say early access. I showed you guys when they sent it and had early access, you see it was already in notify me status. Once it was sent, guys, once I received the email, I pressed on it. Everything mostly was in notify me status. Pre-orders were open to certain tiered VICs that I told you. So guys, this is going to be madness as well. But LV, I'm gonna go ahead and speak on the fourth thing, which is the multicolor coming soon that you guys are all happy about, and I'm sorry to tell you, you are going to be upset as well. But listen, hear me out. They are going to release two popular collections from one collection, the Cherry Blossom and the multicolor collection, on the 21st, okay? But hear me out, guys. They are not going to be available to purchase. If your CA reached out to you, told you good luck, check the website, you might be able to purchase some things, maybe some sunglasses, maybe some scarves, some bandos, some bag charms, you guys, you might can catch. Your CA should have done a pre-order. If they are going to promise you anything from the multicolor collection and you are VIC and you are that important to them, they would have sent you a link to pay or already have your card information. Guys, if you are lucky between 1 a.m. and 6 a.m., you might catch something. It is going to be hard. It is going to be hard because CAs are still taking pre-orders. Yes, CAs are taking pre-orders. Your CA should have reached out to you. Hey, look, another small wave of the multicolor collection is coming through. Do you want to go ahead and pre-order? This is basically promising. And then sometimes, guys, I'm hearing cancellations. There have been some cancellations on the Cherry Blossom. I receive all kind of nonsense in my DM on Instagram. So I don't even think that's promise. But one thing I can promise you is that you are going to be waiting 4 months to 6 months to get your item. Be patient. I would say be patient, because if you go to the pre-love market, you are going to be paying an extra $1,500 an extra $2,000. So if you are okay with waiting 4 to 6 months, guys, it could be you could get your item sooner. That's on you. Okay, that's on you. But the cherry blossom, guys, it is just like the multicolor collection. It is going to be insane. You guys are trying to go to the website, you're going to try to purchase, and everything is going to be out of stock. And then if you do purchase, it's going to load, and then it's going to cancel the order. Guys, these items are being sold through these CAs. These CAs are working overtime. May is going to be the exact same way. And the cherry collection is more popular than the cherry blossom collection. So I don't know why LV is not producing more handbags. I don't know what type of game that they're playing, guys. But guys, come on, stand up. Stand up. Like, be strong. Stand up. Some things you just don't have to accept. Like, if you got to work in the morning and you got your alarm clock set 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., like, go to sleep. You have to go to work in the morning. What's meant for you is meant for you if you do catch it. But again, like I said, if your CA really want to watch out for you, and if your CA really cares, your CA will let you pre-order. Because yes, you can. You can pre-order, but you are going to have to wait. And I have proof that CAs are taking pre-orders. So if anyone come to me and say, oh no, that's not true, you guys know I'm gonna back up everything with receipts. Yes, you can pre-order. It just depends on your CA and I guess their ranking, okay? So just be prepared. If you have your alarm clock set and you're trying to catch items from the Cherry Blossom collection, from the multicolor coming soon, I hope you get something. And this is me genuinely saying, I honestly, because you guys deserve it. You deserve it. There's no way we should be chasing the bag. The bag should be chasing us. And I mean, that's with money. That's with basically everything, guys. Don't chase. You see, I'm just chilling. If it comes my way, if anything comes my way, it's going to come to me naturally. I am not going to be stressing over anything, any handbag, because guess what? It's just a handbag that I am going to hardly use. But it is cute. I'm not going to lie. But, okay? And I'm talking about the multicolor collection. The Speedy. That's the only one. The Speedy 25 bandolier. Okay? But again, guys, let me know. I know we are going to be going back and forth in these comments, but like I said, you have to trust me on certain things. Basically, I'm not going to come here and tell you if I'm not for sure. Okay? You guys have to learn how to, every time I tell you something, you go and ask your CA, and your CA tells you something else, and then you come back, Marquita, you were right. Don't even come back and talk to me. Just leave it alone, okay? But again, watch out for this, okay? The reverse monogram for Chez Matisse. The graceful. It's so hard to say goodbye. But yes, guys, it is leaving us. I don't have to confirm that anymore. You don't have to be confirmed from your CA. I've been telling you this. It's leaving. Go and purchase, okay? So guys, as always, let's chit chat in the comments. Your girl is back with the LV news, and let's chit chat. You guys know how we do. If you guys heard something else, share information. That's what we do over here, because we are real life besties. So guys, as always, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video. Mwah. Bye bye. And yes, we are going to go over that fall 2025 fashion show. That video will load up for tomorrow. Bye guys.